This is basically a bird's eye view of the expo in Shanghai. Right in front of me you can see the Japan building and the South Korea one. And then I'm going to move a little bit to the left. This is the Huangpu River. It's a river that basically goes through Shanghai. And then you can see the skylines. And then over here we have the world's third tallest tower, along with the Oriental Pearl. And over here, more skyscrapers, probably office complexes and apartment complexes. Most of the expo is on the east side of the river, so mostly to this side is where all the buildings and exhibits and displays are. And then you can see the ferries and the bridge crossing the river. And that's the west side. That's where we were at yesterday. And that's where most of the industrial and the big Chinese companies have their exhibits. Alright, so we're walking closer to the east side. You can see Japan, which is like the purple pinkish building. And then South Korea, which is that puzzle-looking building. And then further ahead, you can see Saudi Arabia. The wait time for that yesterday and the day before was around 9 hours. But it's also, I've heard, one of the best exhibits in the expo. Right, so that's Saudi Arabia, and then over there is the India exhibit. And you can see all the people around, hordes of people. Alright, so we're heading further east. This is the China Pavilion, which is insanely hard to get into. Probably let only a few thousand people in every day because the demand's so high, but that's the main building of the expo. And then over there you can see even more people, crazy amounts of people. Alright, one final shot of the China Pavilion. Again, this is the main building. You enter underneath the gate, and the displays inside are so hard to get into that I haven't even had a chance to go. But they do have the China provinces display downstairs, and that's where we were at. And then, see, the past few days there have been probably, on average, 400,000 to 500,000 people per day. So just from that, you can tell that the waits are going to be ridiculously long. There are places where you have to wait 4, 5, 6, up to 9 hours just to get into an exhibit, which is insane. But thankfully, I've been coming here with my grandpa, and he has a senior card, so they let us in, and then we only have to wait probably an hour at the most. But yeah, some of the people here are spending the whole day just to check out one exhibit. It's pretty crazy.